Hello, my name is Ben Curry, and this is my 1997 Jeep Cherokee XJ. I just got it back from the shop last night, and it has a fresh set of Toyo Tires Open Country ATIIIs installed. These are in the 265/75 R15 size, or approximately 31 inches, and for size comparison, the Jeep is on about a 4-inch lift. I wanted a tire that I could daily drive on, as well as something that would be able to go off-road. I'm a mountain biker, and I sometimes need to get to tricky trailheads, or to make recoveries off-road. However, I also use this vehicle on the road most of the time, so I wanted a tire that could do both. The first thing that I noticed when driving on this set of tires is that for a fairly aggressive off-road tire, there's not a lot of road noise. Even when driving at high speeds, my exhaust almost always drowns out all of the tire noise. It's very comfortable on the road, and immediately my handling feels nice and responsive. One of the things that I like the most about this tire is that it's a very good looking tire. It's super aggressive looking, it's got really nice tread depth, there's shoulder lugs that kind of wrap around onto the sidewalls that give even the profile of the tire a more aggressive look. However, it handles very well on the road as well, especially for a fairly aggressive off-road tire. Even when feeling these tires by hand, you can tell that the compound is super sticky, and on my first test ride I've tried to go around some corners super fast, and I couldn't break these tires loose. It feels nice and grippy, and it gives me a lot of confidence on it. Another thing that I've noticed is that despite living down a long dirt road and driving up and down dirt roads all the time, no rocks or pebbles have gotten stuck in the tread. When the tires arrive at the shop, you get the choice to put blue lettering or black on the outside. I opted with the black as the point of personal preference, and I think it looks super clean on the vehicle. However, you can do it whichever way you want if you'd like to have that lettering on the outside. Overall, I'm super excited to see how these tires hold up in a variety of conditions. I haven't done a whole lot of testing yet, I've only gone on my first couple of drives, but I'm super excited to put them through their paces and to see how they perform in a variety of conditions.